Hi friends, this video shows how to reset Bluetooth settings and fix Bluetooth issues. Tap on the settings app icon. Then go down and select system. Then select reset options. Then select reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. So here we can see a reset settings button. So this will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. Tap on this button. Then again tap on this reset settings button. Okay, the network settings have been reset. So this way we can reset Bluetooth settings and fix all Bluetooth issues. You can try this if you are facing issue with the Bluetooth. For example, you are not able to pair or Bluetooth there is a you are not able to connect a Bluetooth device to your mobile phone, right? So in that situation we can just try this reset Bluetooth settings, so that way we can fix the issue. So please try this.